Thanks for watching Art 3. I know you enjoyed the first two. This one's going to be even more exciting. We're going to add one ourselves from the list below. That's going to be fun. I can't wait to get started. When you watch, please watch the videos all the way through. That will help YouTube to promote art. Art is very important, and not only is it fun for the family, but in my channel, I use art to help with chronic pain. So please enjoy. I decided to do one from Crafting Mamas, and you'll see her link in the description. I am not as much a crafter as I am a painter, but we'll see how it goes. This is take number 1,000. All right, so what I'm doing is I'm making art mail from junk mail. So I'm repurposing my envelopes, and I'm going to be painting them and making them fancy, and we'll see how that turns out. Okay, so right now I am going to dip my paint in this blue color that I mixed together, turquoise and a white, and I watered down some acrylic paint, and I'm just going to be painting the front of this envelope. Make sure you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to be painting this front here. Now I put another piece of junk mail inside where the window is so that I don't have the problem of it sticking together. And I'm going to go over that real quick, and I have this opened up. This is the return envelope. So otherwise I would have to create a flap for it out of a piece of magazine or some other piece of junk mail, but I don't have to do that because it's intact. I got a little purple on it, but I kind of like it, so I'm leaving it. And then I would do the back of it too, but for time purposes I'm not going to do the back this time. I do like the little smudge of purple in there, so I think I'm going to dip it into my blue and make some little swishes here because I kind of like that. Alright, so it's an afterthought, happy accident kind of thing, but I do like that, so I think I'm going to do that. Downplay those lines that go with the pre-made envelopes here. Okay, so I like that. Now what I'm going to do is I have some little, let me show you, pieces from craft paper. And it came off of this, it was like a tablet, and I tore some pieces off to create my own stamps. I only found some pieces and parts of crafty stuff that I had around. I can't find everything, so I'm making do. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the holes of this little cutout paper with titanium white paint, and I'm jabbing it in there so that those holes get filled and create a flower design for me. And it's not going to be perfect, but I think you'll like the way it turns out. Okay, and let me see if I could do that part right here with some blue and get some of those holes back. Okay, there we go. And also I'd like to try this orange color with titanium white. I'm going to use a fresher piece here see what I get with that. I'm not being very careful. I'm going to use another one. Tearing off the side here. And I'm going to be dipping this right here. Okay, so that one turned out pretty. And the one that didn't turn out that nice, I'm going to use purple because it will show up. So I'm just going to dip into this purple here that I have for my other stamp. And see how that turns out. Okay, so that's looking pretty. And I do want to get some more white in there. Oops. So I'm going to dip into this white and then stick that right here. My titanium white. Okay, that's pretty. And I'm going to put some more white right here. Okay, so I really like how that turned out. I'm going to put some purple right here. And just stick it in there really good. Oh, that's pretty. And I'll stick some purple right here. Right here. Okay, so that's the front of the envelope. And like I said, I'll deal with the back of the envelope later. I'm going to put a flower here. And then what I'm going to do is turn this around, and I'm going to use a stamp. See, what did I do with it? Here it is. I'm going to use the stamp for the flap. This out. Wow. I'm going to leave this in here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do now is flatten this paint out. And I'm going to put my stamp right here on the paint because I don't have the ink. So acrylic paint should work. Okay, and then I'm going to put it on this envelope flap right here. I'm going to mash it down. And it says, keep it green. Okay, so that's that. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to flip this around so you can see it. It is. And then this is going to be the closing flap on the other side. Thank you very much. I had fun. I hope you did. See you next time. Well, thank you. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And please watch the other videos too. You'll be helping us out a lot and you'll be spreading art. Thank you very much.